Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with legit information we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the former governor of Anambra State may also be the 2023 presidential candidate of the Labour Party, and that na Mr. Peter Obi. Him now don come outside, they send a strong message to men wey get ambition to be president of we nation Nigeria. Him now dey yarn say anybody can be presidential aspirant, but e no go make sense make the person now dey do am for personal gains. No, instead make dem do am for the interest of the general public. Mr. Peter Obi dey yarn this one for his official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey men know as X. And he dey yarn am after the book presentation of Obi, the political change agent. This book is very much written by one countryman wey dey go by the name Ike Abonyi, and him na a founding deputy managing director of New Telegraph newspaper. And now the former governor man will also be a presidential candidate. Now don come aside, they draw here a somehow strong warning. Him na dey yarn say we nation Nigeria dey at a critical stage, and wetin we nation need now na sincere and accountable leadership. We nation Nigeria no need person wey go enter office begin dey do things and things wey no go benefit the general public. We nation Nigeria no need person wey go enter office begin dey initiate policies, begin dey do things and things wey go benefit only rich people, meanwhile the poor masses go dey pour the more they go. According to how Mr. Peter Obi writes for his post, he said the fight is not about personal ambition, it's about the future of the children, it's about the integrity of the institutions and the soul of our nation. Men must continue to believe in a new Nigeria, one built on justice, one built on equity and service to the people. And then as Mr. Peter Obi they give accolade to the author of the book, Obi, the political change agent. Him na come dey yarn say Mr. Ike Abonyi did a great job. The man not just put together a political journey, but a call for transformational leadership where they rooted in competence, rooted in capacity, character, and compassion. And according to him, the book presentation they usher in the rebirth of obedience movement with the main focus of creating a new Nigeria for future generations. And then Mr. Peter Obi constantly proceed further. They give accolade to keynote speaker for the event will be Sam Amadi for his thought-provoking speech on the need for a new Nigeria. And he say men vote must count, democracy must reflect the will of the people, not the manipulation of a few. Meanwhile, about the general election we go play out for inside the year 2027, the Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria we don't come outside, they accuse our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the ruling All Progressive Congress of orchestrating a calculated scheme to manipulate the 2027 general elections. And according to the Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria, RI0US, the All Progressive Congress they deploy sophisticated systems and procedural maneuvers to secure absolute control over the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and the election outcomes. One countryman where they go by the name Emmanuel Onubiko, he is the national coordinator of the Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria. He is the yarn say the strategy of the ruling party, the strategy of APC, they include appointing non-APC loyalists as national commissioners of INEC, thereby compromising the independence of the commission. That is this Tinubu-led administration under the umbrella of the All Progressive Congress. They go to carry men with the loyal to the APC. They put for key positions. They put them for important positions so that when time reach, those men with the loyal to the party go deliver to them what they want. And also, my good people, the group so will be RI0US constantly proceed further. They accuse our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu of pressuring second-term PDP governors seeking re-election, made them defect to the All Progressive Congress to serve as decoys for manipulating election results in their own states. The Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria constantly points hand to the recent suspension of the Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara as part of the APC alleged coordinated effort to rig elections before any ballots are casted. The group now dey claim say this move is very much designed to forcefully bring opposition leaders under the control of the All Progressive Congress. And Mr. Emmanuel Conste talk about the boastful remarks by the All Progressive Congress, their national chairman, man wey bin come outside dey claim say the All Progressive Congress now go win over 2/3 of Nigeria states dem, and they go also maintain commanding control of the National Assembly for inside the year 2027. The group now dey yarn say all these talks wey come outside from the mouth of Abdullahi Ganduje na evidence of a premeditated plan to dominate the political landscape of this our green white green country Nigeria. And last when 2027 general elections don reach, e no go dey free at all, and e no go dey fair. The group now dey draw here the sama warning say the APC actions dey point towards the creation of a China-style one-party authoritarian state. The group dey also accuse the ruling party of systematically enforcing a blueprint for authoritarianism for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. Dem last dey express hope say civil society organizations go unite to expose and to counteract these manipulative election tactics wey the ruling All Progressive Congress dey display. And last the civil society organizations go ensure free and fair elections for inside the year 2027. All these my good people dey come from Mr. Emmanuel Onwubiko, wey be the national coordinator of the Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria. And this my good people na the informate, na the report wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the updates be for body, or if you say get contributions about the matter, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this update, if you be say you like this report and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and sharply make you also put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey go get more news, me dey go get more reports, me dey go get more updates for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.